Hello, everyone. This is Stephanie, Traditional Home. On yesterday, I decided to make a wreath, but it did not turn out the way I had envisioned. So I did another wreath today. Didn't have much to do to finish it off. I will be doing another wreath for my back porch. Sometimes next week. As you can see, the colors are, the wreath itself is green, of course, blue, and gold. Thank you to all who have subscribed to Traditional Home, those who view, like, and those who comment. I'm inviting you to come join in with us here each Thursday for a new video, sometimes through the week, and for shorts. Inviting you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and comment. Just say Merry Christmas. I pray you and yours are doing well today. Again, thank you for being here. Your support means a lot to me. Until next Thursday.